Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your earbuds XIAOMI OpenWear on your iPhone. And basically we have two options how to check it. The first one, we can create a widget, so you need to press and hold at empty space, then click Editor Plus at the left top and add widget. Now scroll down and you need to find batteries and click here, or you can use a search and write batteries here, click here, and right here we have 3 presets. Select the best one for you and click add widget. And you can check our battery percentages right here anytime, but make sure that your earbuds turn on and connected with your phone. But right here we have general battery percentages, so if you want to check for the left and right earbuds, you need to use an application. So you need to install XIAOMI Earbuds application. If you don't know how to install and set up this application or how to add these earbuds to the application, you can check video at this channel. So right here you will see this menu when you edit, and we can check for the left and right earbuds, but we can also check it for the charging case. To do this, you need to put at least one of your earbuds to the charging case. And right here now we have battery case. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!